Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 38 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, asked on his Facebook page for you to ask him questions, or post on his Facebook page for you to ask him questions. We look at those questions, find the funny, the silly, the weird, and dispel the rumors. So on today's episode, we are talking about digital boarding passes, nutrition information for the food, jogging track. I've heard of that. Bacon! And cruise photos online. All right. Question 1. Is there any possibility of making the boarding passes digital like they do on airplanes? Bring out your phone, you're on the plane. John said, yes, this is definitely something they want to improve on. They are actively looking at it, but it's a work in progress. So yeah, it's something they want to do, and that would be pretty cool, even though me and Liz, we're old school. We're probably going to print out our boarding passes because we do it weeks before the cruise, and we have the boarding passes. They're sitting on the table, and we're like, cruise is forthcoming. But anyway, they're working on the digital ones. This person, for some strange reason, unbeknownst to me, wants to know the nutritional information on the meals. Anyway, they need to know because they are looking at the protein, the fat, and the carb counts. A lot of people are watching their calories, their intakes, and they have certain dietary restrictions. So it's actually a really good question. He said, yes, indeed, there is a way for them to find it. All you got to do is write to his colleagues at access@carnival.com. We'll put the website? No, it's not a website. Email in the description. This one's funny, because they wanted to know, do people get upset when people are running the wrong direction on the jogging track? So if you've been to that mythical place that's normally higher on the ship, there's traditionally arrows showing which way to run. Liz and I, doing YouTube and being oblivious, will be filming, walking around, going the opposite way of the track, and you kind of see the finger next to this one as we're walking by because we're not paying attention. John said, yeah, they probably do. He said it is actually a safety issue. So if you are up on the jogging track and using it for exercise, please follow the direction of everybody else because it is a safety concern. You bumping into my butt walking there, but if two people are jogging backwards, not gonna end well. A subject near and dear to my heart, bacon. This person asked, is bacon still available every other day on the cruise ships? John said, yes, on the Lido deck, it is available every other day. But if you require your daily bacon input, go to the MDR. They have it there. Every day. There's always bacon in the MDR. So if you want your brunch or your morning breakfast, you can get it. On the Lido deck, it is every other day. And the last question. Has Carnival ever thought about offering their guests the option to purchase photos online after the cruise? She said, many of the time she's got off a cruise and wish she had bought a photo or forgot to check out and just absolutely missed buying the photos. He said, yeah, it's something they're looking at. It's not currently available. So he doesn't have the specifics at this time, but there's something Carnival's definitely looking at, and I would love to have the ability to do that because we don't always go to the photo stations, but when we do funny photos, and a lot of times we just forget to buy them. So it's something they're looking at. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care of yourselves.